Fiordland's Tawaki penguin, the jungle penguin. He's looking after his 8-week-old chick, while his partner is at sea finding food. If he doesn't do so adequately, she might leave him. Penguin divorce rates are indeed high, so he had better keep everyone away. His partner has returned to the coast after a busy day collecting food. But getting ashore is not easy. Almost. Nicely done. She has to travel over boulders, roots, and ravines. This is Deliveroo penguin style. Dad can only watch with envy. As the chick grows, so too does its appetite. To keep up with the demand, Mum must complete the obstacle course through the jungle, again and again. To rear her chick, she will walk the distance of a marathon and swim over 1,000 kilometers, and she will lose up to half of her body weight. But that doesn't stop her. And then, after 10 long weeks, she's finally had enough. With the delivery service ended, hunger drives the chick to the sea. But strangely, he swims away with others and keeps going for thousands of kilometers halfway to Antarctica. It's the longest single journey made by any penguin, and quite possibly pointless. It's thought their ancestors started doing this 2 million years ago, when their food was only found out here, and it's clearly been a hard routine to break.